having Indian food at an Indian army base. This is a Tibetan refugee camp. The town of Upsi and stop for permit. This is the first checkpoint where they ask for permit. It's a very small town having brunch at Padma restaurant. There's no gas station near Upsi or anything nearby. There's a restaurant that's selling gasoline in a bottle like this, 1 liter bottles. I am in a small village of Haimia. Stop briefly to take a break. Very small village, surrounded by all these rocky mountains. Very scenic. Hello. Where's the cafe? This is chole rice. I am having Indian food at an Indian army base. How cool is that? This is 60 rupee. I'm outside the village of Nulnes. I stopped the bike to take some pictures and video. What an incredible view. What an incredible view. I stopped the motorcycle to take in the scenery. What an incredible scenery. Check out the scenery. I am currently located at the Mahe Bridge here. I started from Leh. This portion was totally unpaved. So I'll be crossing the bridge right here. This is Mahe Bridge. This is a Tibetan refugee camp. Tibetan refugee camp. This is TCV school?
Yeah.
So there are 62 students in this school?
We have 62 students in this school.
62 students.
Yeah.
Okay, and you say about 60 homes. 60 homes in the village.
Villages, yeah. All are nomads.
Okay.
The people are nomads.
What grades are here?
It's kindergarten and class 1 to 3rd.
So what happens after third grade?
I have finished this, they go to join another school.
Far?
Yeah, far away.
How do they-
Henley.
How do they go to the school from here?
Or the parent will send, school bus will also send them.
How far is the school?
The school is 120 kilometers.
120 kilometers?
Yeah. After finishing the class 4, 3, 3rd, finishing class 3rd, they will join another school.
Okay.
Right now they are sitting
They
in the
stay
hostel.
there.
Stay in the hostel.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
How are you? How are you?
They don't know English. We are Tibetanization, all taught in Tibetan. All the maths.
Everything is in
social,
Tibetan.
All in Tibetan.
Oh, you don't teach English?
No. When they reach class 4, then they learn second language, English.
Oh, second language is always
when they reach
English?
class 8, they learn Hindi.
Ah.
And they upgrading.
How do you get support? Do you get support from donation?
The main supporter is from TCV's main school in Dharamsala.
Ah, okay.
And they have almost all have individual sponsor, group sponsor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hello guys. How are you? So today is holiday.
This is holiday.
What holiday is today?
Today is the Buddhist festival, one of the main TCV.
Is it easy to live here or very hard?
Right time is the best time. Otherwise, almost 8 months, very cold.
Very cold. So how do people live here? Do they do farming?
They a little bit farming, and most of them are nomads.
Okay.
Yeah. In the mountain area, they have lots of sheep, goat, and yaks.
What do you teach?
Me, I teach Tibetan. We have 5 teachers here. 3 teachers for class 1 to 3 here, and for the kindergarten, the 2 teachers for the infant section, small students. Yeah.
So when they grow up, do they try to integrate into the Indian society or no?
Yeah. After class 12, they will join to the Indian colleges.
Oh, okay.
And also we have one more Tibetan college in Bangalore. It's called Dalai Lama University, Dalai Lama College.
Very nice, very nice.
These are the classrooms. And here is main class 1. This is class 1.
Okay.
We have 12 students here. And this is the library.
Oh, very nice.
all books in Tibetan.
And you buy them or you get donation?
Donation from the main TCV school
Mm-hmm.
in Dharamsala, in Ladakh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where do sponsorships come from? Like America or Europe?
Europe,
Asia?
Asia, everywhere.
Everywhere. Okay.
All were handled and done by the sponsorship secretary in TCV Ladakh in Joklamsak.
So all the students have sponsors?
Almost all have.
There are few who are waiting for
Yeah,
sponsorship.
sponsor.
Oh.
This is third grade.
Third grade.
Yeah,
How many students here?
12. This is the class 2. Only 5 students.
Second grade.
Second grade.
Okay.
Here 3 teacher,
Oh,
grade 1 to 3.
okay.
And for the kindergarten, we have all the more teacher, 5 teacher.
5 teachers.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 2 home mother and 1 cook. This is our kitchen.
Oh.
The people dinner food.
What time do they start school? What time do they finish?
They start at 9 o'clock, 8:45.
Okay.
We have assembly, and the break time 20 minutes. Then lunch 1:30 to 2:30.
Okay.
Then finish at class 4 at 4 o'clock. Then they do 20 minutes prayer. Then they play the self-study for half an hour. Then they play for half an hour. Then 5:30, 5:45 something they lunch, dinner.
Dinner.
And after this they will do some dancing practice, activities. And they sleep at 8 o'clock, 8:30, 8 something.
And they go to school 5 days a week or 6 days?
6 days a week.
6
But then Saturday they have only half day. Here we have kindergarten,
When was the camp established here?
1980.
1980 is when the camp was here?
Yeah,
Okay. What about school? When did the school start? Same time?
same time, yeah.
Oh,
School
okay.
set up in 1980. This is for the kindergarten.
Oh, very big. Very
Yeah.
big. Very nice.
We have here 33 students.
How many?
33 students.
33.
Here. Yeah.
33. Okay.
Uh,
So all 62 students
yeah.
sleep here. Oh, hello guys. Hello. And they're home mother.
Two mother, her home mother.
Oh, home mother from the village.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. So they're drinking tea now. That's tea?
The Tibetan tea.
Tibetan tea.
Yeah, butter tea.
Butter tea. Okay, very nice. Thank you very much for the tour. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. I stopped the motorcycle because I ran into a herd of sheep that belongs to the Tibetan nomad. When I visited the TCV school, the teacher had mentioned that I would run into some nomads along the road. Wow, what an experience, what an experience. And check out the terrain. This road is obviously not paved at all. Very rough terrain, but beautiful.